Hey there, chair chasers and cushion connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel where we take sitting down on the job to a whole new level. Today we're diving into the top 5 office chairs that'll make your back say, "That's the stuff." From budget-friendly to back-friendly, from "wow, that's stylish" to "holy cow, it massages too," we've got a chair for every derriere. And remember, the products mentioned in this video are in no particular order, so stick around till the end to find your perfect site. For more information on these throne-worthy contenders, check out the links in the description box down below. They're updated daily for the best prices, deals, and discounts. So go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which chair makes you feel like Chairman of Comfort. Furmax Office Chair most affordable. Alright folks, let's kick off this chair extravaganza with the Furmax Office Chair, the most affordable seat in the house, or should I say, the office. Now don't let the price tag fool you. This chair isn't just for sitting and contemplating your life choices. It's got some features that'll make you say, "Wow, that's a lot of chair for not a lot of cash." Pros. Budget friendly. This chair is so affordable, even your wallet will want to sit down. 2. Easy assembly. You won't need a PhD in chairology to put this together. A simple Allen wrench and you're good to go. 3. Decent comfort. It's not a lazy boy, but it's not a wooden stool either. The cushioning is adequate for short to medium length sites. 4. Mobility. The wheels on this chair go round and round, all through the office town. Cons. 1. Not for long sits. If you're planning a Netflix binge or an all-nighter, this might not be your throne of choice. 2. Limited adjustability. The chair goes up, the chair goes down. That's about it. Don't expect to recline into next week. 3. Material quality at this price point. You're not getting Italian leather. It's more like pleather, or perhaps, I can't believe it's not leather. So there you have it. The Furmax Office Chair is the budget-conscious choice for anyone who needs a place to park their posterior without breaking the bank. Amazon Basics. Classic, Puresoft, most comfortable. Alright, let's talk about the next throne. Air chair on our list. The Amazon Basics Classic Puresoft, which I've crowned as the most comfortable chair. This chair is so cozy. You might start thinking you're the main character in a mattress commercial. Pros. Cloud-like comfort. Seriously, this chair is like sitting on a marshmallow, but without the sticky aftermath. Quality material. The Puresoft upholstery is so luxurious, it's like your backside won a VIP ticket to a comfort festival. Stability. This chair has more settings than a Swiss Army knife. Customize away. Sturdy build. This chair is as solid as your grandma's meatloaf, but way more enjoyable. Cons. Assembly required. You'll need to put it together, but don't worry, it's easier than assembling a piece of IKEA furniture. No mysterious extra screws left over. Weight. It's a bit on the hefty side, so you might not want to engage in chair races with it. So if you're looking to give your back the VIP treatment it deserves, the Amazon Basics Classic Puresoft is your go-to. It's the Rolls-Royce of comfort in the office chair world. PUKAMI Armless Office Desk. Chair best for small spaces. Alright folks, let's move on to the next gem on our list. The PUKAMI Armless Office Desk Chair, which I've dubbed as the best for small spaces. Now, if you're working in a closet-sized home office or a cubicle that feels like a shoebox, this chair is your new best friend. Pros. Space saver. This chair is so compact, it could fit into a game of Tetris and win. Sleek design. With its minimalist look, this chair could easily be a background prop in a sci-fi movie. Easy to move. No arms mean you can slide in and out like you're doing the cha-cha-cha. Solid build. Don't let its size fool you. This chair is as sturdy as a mountain goat on a cliffside. Limited support. It's armless, so don't expect to lounge like you're in a lazy boy. Not for long sits. It's comfy, but not binge watch 3 seasons of a Netflix show comfy. So if you're tight on space, but don't want to compromise on quality, the PUKAMI Armless Office Desk Chair is the way to go. It's like the studio apartment of office chairs, small but mighty. If you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more killer content. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Neo Office Chair, best overall. Alright folks, let's dive into the next marvel on our list. The Neo Office Chair, which I've crowned as the best overall. If this chair were a student, it would be the valedictorian of its class. No doubt about it. Pros. All-rounder. This chair is so versatile, it could be the Swiss Army knife of office furniture. Comfort King. The cushioning is so plush, you'll think you're sitting on a cloud minus the altitude sickness. Adjustability. It's got more settings than your smartphone, ensuring a custom fit. Stylish. This chair is so chic, it could walk down a fashion runway and get a standing ovation. Assembly required. You'll need a PhD in IKEA to put this thing together. But hey, it's worth it. Too comfortable. You might actually look forward to work, and we can't have that, can we? So if you're looking for the creme de la creme of office chairs, the Neo Office Chair is your match made in ergonomic heaven. It's like the Beyoncé of chairs, flawless, versatile, and always in style. If you're digging this video, don't be shy, hit that like button and subscribe for more top-tier content. You won't want to miss what's coming up next, I promise. GTPLAYER Office Chair, best back support. We've reached the grand finale, folks. Last but not least, let's talk about the GTPLAYER Office Chair, the chair that's got your back. Literally, this bad boy is the top pick for best back support, and here's why. Pros. Back support extravaganza. If this chair were a movie, it'd be the Lord of the Lumbar. Your back will feel like it's getting a hug all day, every day. Built to last, this chair is like the Wolverine of office furniture. It's tough, durable, and it might just outlive you. Recline. Like a king, the reclining feature is so smooth, you'll feel like you're in a lazy boy, rather than an office. Perfect for those thinking moments. Stylish AF. This chair is so sleek and modern, it could be a secret agent in a spy movie. Assembly required. You'll need a PhD in IKEA to put this thing together. But once you do, oh boy, is it worth it? In a nutshell, the GTPLAYER Office Chair is the chiropractor you never knew you needed. It's like a supportive parent, but for your back. If you've been searching for the perfect chair to make your back feel like it's on vacation, your search ends here. Alright folks, we've reached the end of our roller coaster ride through the magical world of office chairs. From the budget-friendly to the back-hugging, we've covered it all. So, which chair has you ready to swipe that credit card? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be scrolling through like a detective on a donut break. Don't forget to smash that like button, as if it were Monday morning's alarm clock. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? An engraved invitation. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next exciting episode. Top 5 coffee mugs that won't judge you for drinking decaf. Thanks for joining me on this quest for the ultimate sit. Until next time, keep your posture straight and your coffee strong.